Hey, welcome back. This is Infinity. We're going to be going over Bounty Hacker. So today, got my THM all set up. Working on the end map currently, just letting it run through. Trying to go through. Hopefully it'll populate pretty soon. But just going to be going over the box. So very beginning steps, deploying the machine, finding the open ports on the machine. So going to let it run, see what will happen. More than likely there's going to be an HTTP and some others, so I actually will try that right now just to see if there is anything. Yep, okay. Oh look, you're finally up. It's about time. 3 more minutes and we're going out with the garbage now. So we got Spike, Jet, and Ed, and Faye. 4 different characters. Don't know if these are going to be usernames later on, but just to remember them. So definitely something that can document. So touch users, and then it can vi users, and then it can do Spike, Jet, Ed, and Faye. Alright, so we got those users. So Spike, oh look, you're finally up. It's about time. 3 more minutes, and you were going out with the garbage. Jet. Now you told Spike here you can hack any computer in the system. Let Ed do it, and we need her working on something else. And you're going real bold in that bar back there. Now look around, see if you can get the root to the system, and don't ask any questions you know you don't need the answer to. If you're lucky, I'll even make you some bell peppers and beef. Ed, I'm Ed. You should access to the device they are talking about on your computer. Edward and Ein will be on the main deck if you need us. Faye. So, I always try to check robot txt, see if there's anything there. Going back, so we have FTP, which looks like there's anonymous login allowed, and then you got SSH, looks fairly up to date, and then you got HTTP. So let's just try FTP. So trying this. Taking forever. Woof. Yeah, take your time. Everything wants to take its time. Okay. Cool. We'll just sit around and wait in the meantime. But yeah, these boxes can be real fun. Learn a lot of different things from them. A lot of new tips and tricks. Very basic and beginner, but still something to go over just to learn how to go through them. So it's really taken a while. So it says, who wrote the task list? I don't see any 3-letter name, just because we're looking at this, and we got Faye, Ed. Well, it could be Jet, possibly actually, and Spike. So could be Jet. Oh, everything's shutting down. There we go. I must have stopped it when looking for robots.txt. My bad. So just type in anonymous. Oh, don't even need to do that. So they're looking around what's here. So we got a locks.txt and a task.txt. So let's just get both. Is it confused on how to do that? Alright. Locks.txt. So get that, and then task. So Gonna grab both now. we'll just let it sit for a little bit. Really slow connection. Crazy. I can't even do it anymore. That's crazy. So I'll just exit out at this point, and let's FTP again. Get back into it. Sometimes just renewing the session helps out. I don't understand why it's operating so slow. Let's just look at the locks. Doesn't say who it is. Alright, well, we don't have the other file that is of importance. Things are just taking quite a bit trying to get it all going, so. If only we could get this FTP running along. I don't know if it halted, if I hung it, or what's going on, but pretty brutal, the amount of wait. There we go. I just don't know why it's taking so long. Internet speed definitely should be quick enough. Don't know. So yeah, I just don't know why it's taking so long at this point. So if we were to look at that task.txt file, find out that the user is Lynn. I'm not gonna wait around too long just because this is pretty pathetic with the internet connection. So as we go, we're gonna use Hydra. That's what I used last time around when I was doing this. So I'm gonna use the user Lynn as the login, and then we're going to use the logs file as what we're going to use to run through, since that gave a bunch of different iterations. And then we're going to do that, and then 10.10.214.128. So it's going to run through it a little bit. Hydra is able to go through SSH, definitely works a lot better. And then able to just brute force it. So what service can you brute force with the next text file? SSH. And then we're about to find out what that user password will be. It shouldn't take too long, because really all we're doing is running through all of these. Oh, it could not connect to, really? Wow, that's impressive. Really impressive. So, wow. Okay. So that is the password. And then 10.10.214.128. I don't know what happened to this service. Just the server in general, that it's running so bad. But so goes to that, yes. So now that we're on cat the user bot, we can do that. Actually, it's just the user. So 21. So we can grab that and now find how to get higher up. And then what I did last time, I'll look around on this, and if you actually examine all of these, you're able to see that, I forget where it's at. You can run linps is something that you can do, but just trying to shorten the process. Ah, there it is. So that's the one. User bin whoopsie. So this box is definitely going quite slow. So we got that same username. If this box will even let me log in. So a couple of the typical things that you can do is just look around at like inside the user directory and try to find out like inside their own folder if there's anything that's going on, or any of the history that you can like analyze, or like their SSH and be able to grab their key, or look around at other users trying to find what else is out there, if there's any files that aren't supposed to be where they are, if there's any like privileges on the files that are not supposed to be there. Definitely a good source is to use LinPs. If you can use LinPs, you can get a very giant scope of like the entire box. Just being able to see, it's going to pinpoint very easily to anything that you want to get to. So what I actually wanted to get to and use was, you're going to use sudo space TACL, and when you actually use that, it's going to show you that you're able to use /bin/tar at, oh, there, okay, let's see. So sudo TACL, and then we do that, and then we're able to see that you're able to use the bin set. And then, so a really good resource. So if you find out that there's one of these that like, if there's a sudo permission that you're able to use, just go in here, and then you're gonna be able to find this, and then just type in tar. See how simple it is? So then from there, you got sudo. So we have sudo, and then sudo's at the bottom right now. And I can't see it. All right, so then you're just gonna go like this, copy and paste. And there you go. Literally as simple as that. So then you're just gonna go to root. So we're already in root, obviously I should have known that. And then so and then from there, able to see the root. So there you go. So really as simple as that. GTFO bin's definitely a giant help for a lot of CTFs. It's able to help you out, but I think LinPs is also an amazing resource as well. So use LinPs, use GTFO. Definitely a great resource for both of them. So if you want to see any more boxes, definitely let me know. Be glad to help you out. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.